Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on insurance with State Farm, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your coverage needs. Assess what types of insurance you require, such as auto, home, or life insurance. Gather information about your personal circumstances. Evaluate your driving history, home characteristics, and lifestyle choices. Next, visit the official State Farm website. Explore the insurance products available in your area. Utilize the online quote tool to get estimates tailored to your needs. Input your information accurately for the most precise quotes. Consider bundling multiple policies for potential discounts. Combine auto and home insurance or other eligible policies. Check for available discounts based on your profile. Look for discounts for safe driving, good credit, or profession. Contact a State Farm agent for personalized advice. Discuss your insurance needs and ask about additional savings opportunities. Review your current policy and coverage levels. Ensure that you're not overinsured or underinsured. Consider raising your deductibles to lower premium costs. Assess how much you're willing to pay out of pocket before claims. Revisit your coverage periodically, especially after major life changes. Adjust your policy as needed for changes in family status or property. Stay informed about new discounts and offerings from State Farm. Sign up for auto payment or paperless billing to save more. Finally, keep a good credit score to maintain competitive rates. Regularly review and update your policy to reflect your current situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.